Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did do this analysis yesterday, so that's where the red and green line annotations are coming from. And if you did watch yesterday's video, hopefully you remember me talking about kind of that final 30 minutes right there where the sellers showed up. And that was just definitely not a blip on the radar. That was, a leading indicator of what was to come today. So, that's where the selling, occurred and started, and then, the follow through happened today. So not the best day at all for the bulls. Now, was the entire chart ruined? I'm not saying that at all. But yeah, the chart has lost some of its attractiveness. Now, before you throw stones at me, there's a big difference between losing attractiveness and being totally ruined. Is the chart totally ruined? Absolutely not. Has the chart lost attractiveness? Yeah, it has. How is that the case? Well, it all revolves around, and this will make a little bit more sense to those of you that have watched past videos, but the purple line right there, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. And as I've said in past videos, as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full control, full health, no questions asked. Well, now the price is down below there. So can you say that the bulls are in full control? No, you can't say that. Again, that doesn't mean that everything's ruined. But as far as, the chart looking, as best as possible, that's, there's kind of a little kink in the armor right now. And that kink is, the price being down below that purple line. So to best illustrate this, I'm going to get rid of that green line there. And this is where the first update comes, and this is based on a foundational principle in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance. And you can see that here the price did break down below the 50-period simple moving average, that purple line, and then as the rule goes in the world of charting, you would expect it then to act as resistance. And you could throw this right into a textbook, as you can see now that level of support acted as resistance there, and then once more during the final 30 minutes of the day right there. Don't get me wrong, I'm not saying that the 270, 271 area can never ever be broken up above again. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is now struggling up around that price level. As far as levels of support are concerned, if this pullback continues, next key level of support to keep an eye on, down there at about $2.53. That was very important because this was essentially the bottom of this consolidation period after the gap up that happened a couple weeks ago. But that level's not threatened right now at all, and I'm not saying the price is headed down there, but that would be the next overall technical point. So not the best day today, but still 1 day left this week, so we'll see if the bulls can close out the week with some strength tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.